So here is a quick guide on how to create a website using AI. We'll be using Emergent AI, a platform that allows you to generate websites simply by describing what you want. Click on my discount link below to try Emergent AI. Once you've clicked the link, you'll be brought to this page. Over here, you can choose between full stack, mobile app, and landing page. So for this video, let's go with full stack app. Then you can attach files and images and also add your GitHub. You can connect your GitHub to access private repositories or put in any public repository link. Then we have the option to choose the model that we want. So as you can see, there are a lot of models to choose from. After that, if you go over to this section, you can set it to private or public. And for advanced controls, you will get to see all of these settings that you can customize. Go through these options and set them up according to your preference. You can also use this voice option to speak out your prompt. Now just put in your prompt. As an example, I will go with create a meal planning app. Then just run your command. After that, Emergent AI will start setting up your website, and you will get to see something like this. It will then ask you a couple of questions about your platform, so answer them or use the auto answer feature. Then the AI will start designing your platform. It may take a while, so give it some time to get done. Once it's done, you can click on the preview option to preview your platform, and it will appear on the right side like this. You can now check out your platform by scrolling through and also clicking on the buttons which are all functional. You can test out your platform right from here. And as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. And if you want to make any further changes, all you need to do is use the text box on the bottom left and describe your changes to the AI. But keep in mind that if you're using the free version, you might run out of credits. And that's it. That is exactly how to create a website using AI.